guys, it's Emmanuel, and I'm back again with another tutorial on how to draw a very realistic ear. So, if you want to see how to draw a very realistic ear, which I know you want to, and that's why you clicked this video to watch, stay put, follow up back to back to do whatever I do, and then in the end, you're gonna get a very realistic ear just like you've always wanted. Now, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells to get notified whenever I post new videos. Now, if you've done this, let's move on to the next video. So guys, first we're going to be starting with a sketch. Now we're going to be using a 2H lead pencil, and that is to keep our lines faint and light so that you won't get to be struggling to bring out your shades, because most times graphites and charcoals don't mix. Constructively, we are going to be bringing out the lines. You can see how we are organizing the lines, bringing out the shape of the ear, and also marking out the major points that we are going to be shading in the sketch. That is just to make it easier for you when you're drawing to know the parts that you want to shade and the parts you're going to be leaving. So here we're going to be outlining every part that needs shading and then leaving the parts that need lighting. So now, rounding up with the sketch, you can see how we have constructively plot out our sketch. Now, using my General's charcoal, my Salt General's charcoal, I'm going to be bringing out the major lines, showing the dark shades. That's the areas where I'm going to be darkening more in the drawing, and this is because it's going to be dark, so you just use your lines to outline them. And later on, I'm using my charcoal dust to actually bring out the form of the ear, so that once I've done this, then we could go down to the detailing, and I'm going to be doing this for a while. Bringing in my cutting board, I'm going to be adding more darkness around this drawing, and this is going to help bring out more finer lines and then add more form to the drawing. So you can watch as I do this with my cutting board. Spreading the charcoal dust around the drawing, I'm going to be using a cotton wool, and this is to bring out kind of a general shade around the drawing, and this will help you know the places you want to darken more. Using your general charcoal, you do this, and then you outline more the areas that need more shade. And you can see how I'm doing this using my general charcoal. So guys, if you like how the drawing is going so far, just take a moment to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bells to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks guys if you do this, I would really appreciate it. Using my general charcoal, I'll be bringing out the hairlines now. You can see how I'm doing this softly. And I will continue this till the whole area is filled up. Then I would use my other tools like the monozel eraser. You can see what I'm doing now, and also the electric eraser. I'm using these tools now to bring out the highlights in the hair, and you will see this because I'm going to continue this for a while, and you will see how exactly I'm doing. So I'll be using my brush to finally spread round